Post the launch of the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. Now the world satellite was not surprised. On October 4th, 1957, it founded all over the world. A few weeks later, the first satellite stopped. Chemical batteries are exhausted. Needed to find a new source of energy, which has a large and generous to hit the star by the name of the Sun. Then at the Moscow plant, quantum and developed a solar cell. For the third Soviet satellite, who walked in orbit for almost 2 years. For over 50 years of silicon solar cells, faithfully served the National Space Program. For the transport ship, Progress is the ideal food, relatively inexpensive and safe. To the International Space Station, Progress is flying for 2 days. After launching into orbit, the track revealed solar wings. Essentially, normal battery, plus, minus, actually built such a device similar to the production of handmade carpets. Photocells are literally woven into the fabric mesh. First fixed group, they are soldered together with the electrodes of. They come to the main electrodes of the wire. Come unsoldered wire on the main board. Board gathers here for all contacts, all generators. And these generators have come on our connector. Which connector is mounted? Is equipped with the ship. Solar cells based on gallium arsenide. In fact, an ideal black body which does not reflect and absorb light. Energy conversion efficiency compared with the batteries of the silicon increases more than twice. Now in the production of wings for the new modern communication satellite Express. Modern requirements. It is life in orbit for at least 15 years old. Source life in orbit for 17 years. And just now, these new elements provide this characteristic. That is, for 15 years the spacecraft will be provided with the electricity. Gallium arsenide photovoltaics are very fragile. The workplace is prepared individually for each panel. Initially bonded to the metal surface, a special material, izolon, button to put on top the surface was perfectly flat. Then mounted and framed sections. After the panel is completely assembled, glad all sections. She was withdrawn from this table, and then is being installed. Foam, quantum, and his artificial light, 600 bulbs for 1 kilowatt. Here are a kind of solar battery baptism, and to measure the parameters of each element, specialist in the arsenal of miniature replicas of the light. Every day we have at least 500 solar flares. Employees, quantum, say seasonal depression from lack of sunlight, they are not afraid.